So when we meet with clients, we try to make sure that we understand exactly what their challenges are. Overall, what the process really looks like is that there's a lot of manual mini steps that go into it. Even though at the end of the day, the process is at a certain number of days, you send this type of message. At a certain number of days, you send this other message. And then sometimes you actually have to escalate it and bring it to another person. So these different personas are all different things that we as individuals can understand who we need to send that message to, because it's been so many days since they've actually responded, so we need to escalate that. But in fact, that can also be automated. That's the challenge that the companies have, is that these processes, they look pretty straightforward and simple, but once you start to scale, if you're dealing with hundreds or thousands of customers in a month, that you need to make sure that they're getting the messaging that they need in order to act on the invoices that are outstanding with your company, it becomes a much bigger of a task. And instead of scaling the organization to having all kinds of different people that are not necessarily doing the process exactly the same, you get a lot of discrepancies as to who gets what message when and so on. Having automation really makes the process very transparent and very scalable. We're going to make sure that the right messages are going to the right person at the right time. We're going to make sure that the data is flowing to the right people. We're going to make sure that the right people are engaged. All of that is part of the automation that Covidi is bringing to our clients.